Lindsay and today we are making chocolate chip cookies from a strawberry cake mix with my strawberry chocolate chip cookies. And if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to tap that subscribe button to be the first to see my all new videos. They're soft and chewy and packed with that sweet strawberry flavor and loaded with melty chocolate chips. And if you've never made cake mix cookies before, they are literally so easy and foolproof. You just need a box of cake mix and 4 ingredients, and you have these totally fun and unique gourmet flavored cookies that people will totally think you got from like a fancy schmancy bakery. No one has to know you cheated with a box of cake mix. So in our mixing bowl, we're just gonna mix together 1 box of strawberry cake mix, 1/3 cups of vegetable oil, 2 large eggs, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we're just gonna beat this all together until it's well combined. Then we're gonna mix in 1 cup, which is 6 ounces of chocolate chips. Now the combination of chocolate and strawberry is so classic, but I've also made these using white chocolate chips for a strawberries and cream version, and even sprinkles. So if you guys give these a try, be sure to tag me in a picture on social media at Lindsay and Bakes and let me know what kind of flavor combinations you guys came up with. All right, now we're just gonna scoop our dough into little balls, about 2 tablespoons each, onto a baking sheet. Now we're just gonna pop the dough balls in the fridge for about an hour so they have a chance to firm up a little bit so they don't spread too much during baking. All right, our dough is nice and firm, so we're just gonna bake it in a preheated 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 9 to 11 minutes or until the edges just start to set. Look at how perfect these cookies came out. These are like chocolate covered strawberries in cookie form. All right, let's break one of these open. Oh, look at that chewy cookie studded with all of those ooey gooey chocolate chips. Okay, I can't wait to try one of these. These are so much fun. They don't taste like a cake at all. They have that like perfect chewy texture that you love from a cookie, and that subtle strawberry flavor, and the chocolate chip combo is so perfect. These are so easy to make. You have got to give them a try. I hope you guys like this fun twist on a classic. Don't forget to head on over to lindsayandbakes.com for the full written recipe and tons more that I know you're gonna love, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!